I really wish I would have brought my camera. Look at how beautiful it is.
Look at this.
No, he's very much alive. He's looking at us. That is a Gila monster. Literally. But it's all striped, banded, and it looks like pink and green.
Getting that Queen Valley marble.
Oh yeah. And we'll be back. Yeah. Like, I can cut this and make stuff out of it. Could be marble, could be onyx. What do you think? Yeah, baby. Oh, check this one out. Okay, all we need is a bucket full of these.